Chapter 4. The Little Boy and the Monkeys. Before we read, we face many problems in life. Should we run away from them or face them with courage? Read the lesson and learn what a little boy did. It was a hot, humid afternoon in Varanasi. There were very few people on the road. A little boy was walking along with ghats of the Ganga. There were tall trees on either side of the road. Suddenly, he heard a noise and looked up. There were a large number of monkeys on the trees, jumping, swinging, and chattering. Some were sitting on the ground, running and leaping. The boy was scared. The monkeys on the ghats were very bold and fearless. They had developed a strange habit over the years. They would sit on the roads through which the devotees passed. While returning from the temples, the devotees offered some fruits and cereals to the monkeys. Sometimes the monkeys snatched away the food from their hands, even before they could throw it to them. However, the little boy did not know all these. He kept on walking until he reached a narrow and lonely spot. There was a big pond on one side and a high wall on the other. Many monkeys were sitting on the wall. As soon as they saw the boy, they came down on the road. Suddenly, a monkey came towards him, expecting some food. The sudden movement frightened the boy even more. He turned and started walking towards the ghats. The monkey followed him. When the other monkeys saw it, they too started following the boy. The boy increased his pace and finally started running. The monkeys, now large in number, chased him, scratching his body and screeching. His clothes were torn, tears ran down his cheeks, and he ran trembling with fear. Suddenly, he heard a voice. "Don't run away. Hold your ground." The voice had such a force that the boy stopped at once. The monkeys stopped too. It was a priest of the nearby temple commanding him. He said, "Don't be frightened, my boy. Face them. If you face them boldly, they would run away." The words of the priest had a magical effect on the little boy. He turned back and stood firm, ready to face the monkeys. The priest threw a stick to him. "Attack them." The boy picked up the stick and stepped forward with raised hands. As he did that, the monkeys changed their ways and ran away in fear. "Always face the problem with courage, my child. Don't try to run away from it," said the priest in a pleasant voice. It was a great experience of life for the boy. He thanked the priest with traditional namaste and went on his way. Do you know who this boy was? He was Swami Vivekananda, one of the greatest sons of Mother India.